Alright guys, see that? Man, the middle of the night today, you know. Work has to be done. So I'm gonna dig down the material and lay it down. Soon start press it. So I'm gonna watch them work. It's dry now, but we're gonna put the water on it and compact it with the compactor. So, alright guys, see? So right at the lift. Compactor, go do that.
Welcome back guys, welcome back. Work one, you know, work at one same way. Work at one same way. So this is the final roll or compaction. So we're gonna do this now and well just for this year and then move on to the next section.
Alright guys, so this is the finished product. We've done all the rollings. We got a larger roller. Sorry I couldn't have recorded, it was raining at the time. But driveway do. Rush these cars on this side weren't there, but next time when we buy some more material, I'll get to do on this side and even out everything so that it gives it a nice look. On the front, I won't be touching over this side. This side is pretty much okay. We're gonna leave it as concrete, but for where cars are driving, we're gonna keep this as asphalt. Pardon the lighting, guys. We're just finished fall, and you know, surface not too bad. That's the other part here on the back. Looks very nice. I must give the commendations to the guys who came and did the installation, and the team that kind of finished it last night. Myself and two of my team members, my brother and Sir Ox, went around, and you know, and then this morning we did another compaction with it, and then the roller came in and just finalized everything. So far so good. Looks nice. We have some additional things coming, so hopefully within a week or so we should be getting the rods to build up the B20 engine, where it's coming close to race time. Race time is in November. I'll go get the rods, then get the bearings, finalize the crank. Well, the crankshaft is there. I'll just get it sent out to just polished, and then we start assembling hopefully by next week. So the next video should see us either starting that build, putting everything together. We have some special cams we want to put in there, and but the car has to be out of commission for the build to be complete. So we're gonna do that, get that out of the way, and then we pull the trigger one day, put in the engine. I guess no, we need to get the clutch. We need to get the twin disc clutch, and we're gonna go with the Adler speed for now. We're gonna work with the Adler speed till we can get another brand, and then from there we'll see what the Adler speed do. But most people are saying that Adler speeds are fine as long as they follow the installation instructions. You'll be good. So we'll work with it, and then after that we go to the dyno the car, see what it makes, and then after the track in November. Alright guys, so I'm gonna close out the video here. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and you know, continue following. I do look at things. So we have some other things we are going, but we are going to do the thing them as them come. Alright? Cool.